I didn't see you there. Hello. Welcome to the video. Alright. Well, now that I know you're here, this is going to be the new SMG with the new division. It doesn't really quite match up, but I just want to rank that division up to prestige it. Get the new pistol. Looks like a nice pistol. Alright, well, that didn't really show, but this SMG, it's good. I used it before. It's good. I have grip and long barrel, I think, but I want extended mags. That would just make this thing mwah, too good. This is like if you gave the PPSH more fire rate. That's what I look at it. Oh no. No. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna bring this team to the top with the new SMG. Maybe an LMG. Maybe. If I decide to hop on that. Yeet! I tried. Okay. Took a couple more bullets than I expected. That's okay. Got the kill. We're out of there. We're off the scene. Nope. Nope. Yep. Was he? How long was he there? Oh, he just turned the corner. He's using this, except with a PO8. It's time to get wrecking. It's time. What are you doing down there? Okay. So he thinks he can spawn trap. He's gonna get denied. There's my laptop going off. Really? FG. You know what? Oh, it's gone. That's cool. That's fine. I guess. Alright, let's see if I was right. This should shoot slower unless he's got rapid fire on it. What? Thought he was down there. He was not. Okay. Saw him up there. Don't worry, boys. Don't worry. I saw him. He smacked me right with it. I'm 6-5. That's not good. We're still losing too. What? Type 100 is for this occasion right here. Oh. Wow. You just ate a lot of bullets. I tried to crouch. I tried. Eat? Cross map? Nope. Oh, okay. He got melted. That's what the long barrel's for. Make sure my laptop's still going off. That's hot. Oh! No way! Gotta hit that cross map. Man. I was just about to say how disappointing this lobby was. Man. That's good stuff. Indeed. Is that who I hit? Or was that someone I killed earlier? Give me that. Yeah. The perk on this setup, though, this division, kind of gives you away sometimes. Watch where you're throwing those. I jumped right in front of them. Try to, like, predict them. Didn't work. Oh, you got that covered, my guy. Dude, watch your back. Sorry about this. Keep getting invited. Trying to get some game. No! Oh, no! Really turned this game around. Oh, I had to reload. That's not good. That's no bueno. I was finally starting to do good. That's okay. We'll hit another cross map. Oh, no. Nope. Ooh. Okay. You can go that way, teammate. Okay. He's tagged up, my guy. He's tagged up. Hop in there. Get some work done. This thing's also kind of like the Tommy gun. Now that I picked it up and was reminded of this unrelevant just weapon. I mean, Tommy gun's good, but there's like way better guns. It's just Tommy gun's not in the league. Wow. My computer's getting spammed. My laptop, I mean. And I just got mollied. See? There's a guy near me because my map is getting all, whatever you would call that, staticky. There he is. That's him. Okay. The iron sights on this thing are really good, so I don't put a sight on it. I mean, they're... Look at that. I blame you, team. Blame. They're gonna die, too. They're gonna be final kill. I walked right past that guy. There's my team for you. Here's me. Getting kill cam, though. Dropped in front of him. He didn't know what to do. Didn't stand a chance. Actually, if he aimed in, he probably could have killed me. Alright, I'm going to play a full game. So I'll see you in the next game. Alright, we're back. And this is the setup, if you were wondering. I just have that as my secondary and lethal because I didn't really know what else to put. Again? Right. That's hitting somebody, though. Alright. Okay. I should have known. I don't have airborne on. I can't rush that. My man's got a shotgun, so he can do anything he wants to. Let me get this wall bang. I got extendos now. Somebody up here. Guaranteed. Money back. Oh, I saw him. I saw him down here. I didn't know where to go. Thought I was just gonna get instantly spanked if I jumped down. Don't worry. We're winning. We're tied. Nope, nope. Get out of there. I'm not even gonna reload. Don't have to. That's my problem. Always reload after each kill. Yeet! Oh! Tried to yeet that at him. Why would I reload? Oh! Watch this. Yeet. Seriously? My laptop? Going off? Going off? Windows. Am I right? Sit down. Sit down. It's not like this is difficult. This is a really good gun. Like, I'm warning you guys. This is good gun. I haven't tried... Uh-oh. I haven't tried the new AR. But I do know this... What is this thing called? Well, I have the Liberator. But I know that's not the actual name. But this gun, ooh, too good. I bought it with my little armory credits. I had a bunch saved up. You gonna sneak up on me, or? Don't worry. I'm not sound whoring him, guys. He's just scrambling my map. My guy. I feel like they're still on this spawn, though. My teammates are all facing that way. Pick that up. My teammate's dying over here. Oh, I hear another one. Okay. It's a teammate. Yep. Gotta really make sure you hit your first 2 shots with the M1 Garand. It's a good gun if you can do that. You miss a single bullet, you're probably dead. You're dead already. Okay, that's twice you've tried. Teammate, you spooked me. Okay, you watch that, teammate. I'll watch. Okay, never mind. I'm bad. Ooh. Nice try. I really want to get my streaks. It's like 4 more kills, and we're good to go. Get my paratroopers. I hate how there's no like advanced UAV or VSAT or hater type of thing in this game. That's essential. We need that. But they're probably not going to add it. That's my guess. They're probably not going to add it. If you call in enough UAVs, does it come up as like the advanced UAV? Maybe that's what it does. I'm on a 10 again. No, I'm dead again. No. Whoa. The nade just kept on rolling, and then I get shot in the back. I swear, dude, nades roll so far. They roll too far just to kill me. I mean, that one didn't kill me. I just got shot in the back. But they do roll. A lot. Nice try. Just in that doorway with the... thought that was a new pistol for a second. I was about to pick it up. Nope. It's not the new one. I want to know if it's any good. It's like better than the M9 or the 1911, but its range, I'm pretty sure, is 1 less. Something like that. Okay. Oh, okay. Just do it. Oh, it's friendly. You got melted. Okay. What's going on here? There's one. Oh no! You just got drop shotted. Watch me jump shot the next guy. Jump his back. Let's get it. No. What does he have? He's got the same thing, but with the sight. He's a little slow, guys. Don't worry about him. You don't need a sight on this. See this? That doesn't need a sight. Alright. 20-6? Not many kills, but not many deaths either. You know what I mean. Oh, shotgun. Let's see this. That looked hard. Let's see this. Ooh. Golden shotgun. And he's still using it. Congratulations. Alright. That's the new SMG. There's me sweating with the new Division 2. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Ow. Subscribe. My elbow. Alright. See ya.